2026 programming skills are more valuable than ever. Whether you want to build apps, automate tasks, or understand how technology shapes our world, learning to code opens countless doors. The digital landscape is evolving rapidly, and programming is at the heart of this transformation. From artificial intelligence to web development, coding empowers you to create, innovate, and solve real-world problems. No matter your background, programming is accessible and rewarding. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the best ways to learn programming in 2026, ensuring you stay ahead in a tech-driven world. Selecting your first programming language can feel overwhelming, but in 2026 there are clear favorites. Python remains a top choice for beginners due to its readability and versatility. JavaScript is essential for web development, while languages like Go and Rust are gaining popularity for their performance and safety. Consider your goals. Do you want to build websites, analyze data, or develop mobile apps? Your answer will help narrow down the best language to start with. Remember, the fundamentals you learn in one language will transfer to others, so don't stress too much about your first pick. Comfortable and efficient workspace is crucial for learning programming. In 2026, cloud-based development environments are more accessible than ever, allowing you to code from any device. Tools like Visual Studio Code, GitHub Codespaces, and online IDEs make setup simple. Make sure your workspace is free from distractions and has all the tools you need, such as a reliable internet connection, a comfortable chair, and dual monitors if possible. Organize your files and projects logically to keep your learning journey smooth and productive. Before diving into complex projects, it's important to grasp the basics. Start with variables, data types, and simple operations. Learn how to write and run your first program and get comfortable with concepts like loops, conditionals, and functions. These building blocks are the foundation of all programming languages. Online tutorials, interactive coding platforms, and beginner courses can help you master these essentials. Take your time and practice regularly. Understanding the basics will make advanced topics much easier down the road. 2026, interactive learning platforms have revolutionized how we learn programming. Websites like CodeKidme, FreeCodeCamp, and LeetCode offer hands-on exercises and instant feedback. These platforms allow you to write code directly in your browser, making it easy to practice anytime, anywhere. Many courses are gamified, keeping you motivated as you progress. Take advantage of these resources to reinforce your understanding and build confidence in your coding ability. Learning to program is easier when you're part of a community. In 2026, online forums, Discord servers, and social media groups connect learners worldwide. Platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit, and GitHub discussions are great places to ask questions, share projects, and get support. Don't hesitate to participate. Helping others and discussing problems will deepen your understanding. Coding communities also keep you updated on the latest trends and best practices. One of the most effective ways to learn programming is by building real projects. Start with simple applications like a calculator or a to-do list, and gradually tackle more complex challenges. Project-based learning helps you apply theoretical knowledge, develop problem-solving skills, and create a portfolio to showcase your abilities. In 2026, there are countless project ideas and open-source repositories to inspire you. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. Algorithms are the backbone of programming. They're step-by-step instructions for solving problems efficiently. In 2026, understanding algorithms is more important than ever, especially for technical interviews and advanced projects. Start with basic sorting and searching algorithms, then move on to more complex topics like recursion and dynamic programming. Practice implementing algorithms in your chosen language to strengthen your logical thinking and coding skill. Data structures help you organize and manage information efficiently. In 2026, a solid understanding of arrays, lists, stacks, queues, and trees is essential for every programmer. These structures allow you to store, retrieve, and manipulate data in powerful ways. Learning how and when to use each data structure will make your code faster and more reliable. Many online resources offer interactive visualizations to help you grasp these concepts easily. Version control is a must-have skill for modern programmers. Tools like Git allow you to track changes, collaborate with others, and manage your codebase efficiently. In 2026, cloud-based repositories like GitHub and GitLab make it easy to share and contribute to projects. Start by learning basic commands: commit, push, pull, and branch. Understanding version control will help you avoid losing work and streamline your development process. Every programmer encounters bugs, but debugging is a skill you can master. In 2026, advanced debugging tools are built into most IDEs, helping you identify and fix errors quickly. Learn to read error messages, use breakpoints, and step through your code. Developing a systematic approach to debugging will save you time and frustration. Remember, debugging is a normal part of the learning process and an opportunity to deepen your understanding. One of the best ways to solidify your programming knowledge is by teaching others. In 2026, platforms like YouTube, blogs, and online courses make it easy to share what you've learned. Explaining concepts to others forces you to clarify your understanding and identify gaps in your knowledge. Whether you mentor a friend or create tutorials, teaching is a powerful tool for mastering programming. Learning programming can be challenging, but staying motivated is key. Set achievable goals, celebrate small wins, and track your progress. In 2026, many apps and platforms offer progress tracking and reminders to keep you on course. Find a study buddy or join a coding challenge to make learning more engaging. Remember, persistence pays off, and every step forward brings you closer to your goals. Balancing programming with other responsibilities requires good time management. In 2026, digital planners and productivity tools can help you schedule study sessions and avoid burnout. Break your learning into manageable chunks and set aside dedicated time each day. Prioritize consistency over intensity. Regular practice is more effective than occasional cramming. Use timers and reminders to stay focused and make the most of your study time. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we learn programming. In 2026, AI-powered tutors and code assistants can provide personalized feedback, suggest improvements, and even generate code snippets. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT are becoming standard in many learning environments. Embrace these technologies to accelerate your learning and gain insights from advanced algorithms. Learning programming isn't limited to your desktop. In 2026, mobile apps like SoloLearn, Mimo, and Enki let you practice coding on the go. These apps offer bite-sized lessons, quizzes, and challenges that fit into your busy schedule. Take advantage of downtime like commuting or waiting in line to reinforce your skills and keep your momentum going. Coding bootcamps remain a popular choice in 2026 for those seeking intensive, structured learning. These programs offer immersive experiences, mentorship, and real-world projects. Many bootcamps are now hybrid or fully online, making them accessible from anywhere. If you're looking for a fast track to tech career, consider enrolling in a reputable bootcamp to accelerate your progress. 2026, aspiring programmers have more options than ever. Traditional university degrees offer deep theoretical knowledge and networking opportunities, while self-learning is flexible and often more affordable. Many successful developers are self-taught, leveraging online resources and communities. Consider your learning style, career goals, and available resources when choosing your path. Both approaches can lead to success in the tech industry. Open source projects are a goldmine for learning in 2026. By contributing to real-world codebases, you gain practical experience and collaborate with experienced developers. Explore repositories on GitHub, read documentation, and try fixing small bugs. Open source involvement not only builds your skills but also enhances your resume and professional network. Strong portfolio showcases your programming skills to potential employers or collaborators. In 2026, a personal website or GitHub profile with well-documented projects is essential. Include a variety of projects, websites, apps, scripts to demonstrate your versatility. Keep your portfolio updated and highlight your best work. This is your chance to stand out in a competitive job market. APIs or application programming interfaces are essential for modern programming. In 2026, most apps and websites rely on APIs to communicate and share data. Learning how to use and create APIs will expand your capabilities as a developer. Start by experimenting with public APIs, then try building your own. Understanding APIs will open up new possibilities for your projects. Cloud computing is a cornerstone of modern development. In 2026, platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud make it easy to deploy and scale applications. Learn the basics of cloud services, storage, and deployment. Understanding cloud computing will enable you to build scalable, reliable apps and stay competitive in the tech industry. Mobile devices are everywhere, and app development is a valuable skill in 2026. Learn the basics of building apps for iOS and Android using frameworks like Flutter or React Native. Mobile development teaches you about user interfaces, device capabilities, and cross-platform compatibility. Start with simple apps and gradually add more features as you learn. Web development remains a top choice for new programmers in 2026. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build interactive websites. Explore modern frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular to create dynamic user experiences. Web development skills are in high demand and provide endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. Databases are essential for storing and managing data in any application. In 2026, both SQL and NoSQL databases are widely used. Learn how to design, query, and maintain databases to support your projects. Understanding databases will help you build robust, data-driven applications and prepare you for advanced development roles. Security is a critical aspect of programming in 2026. Learn the basics of secure coding, data protection, and common vulnerabilities. Understanding security best practices will help you build safe applications and protect user data. Stay informed about the latest threats and always prioritize security in your projects. Testing ensures your code works as intended and prevents future bugs. In 2026, automated testing tools make it easy to write and run tests for your applications. Learn about unit testing, integration testing, and test-driven development. Regular testing will improve your code quality and give you confidence in your projects. Technology evolves quickly, so continuous learning is essential. In 2026, new languages, frameworks, and tools emerge regularly. Stay curious and keep exploring new topics. Follow tech blogs, attend webinars, and participate in online courses to stay up to date. Lifelong learning will keep your skills sharp and open new opportunities. Building a professional network is vital for career growth in 2026. Attend tech meetups, conferences, and online events to connect with other programmers. Networking can lead to job opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship. Don't be afraid to reach out and introduce yourself. Relationships are key in the tech industry. Programming isn't just about writing code. In 2026, soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem-solving are highly valued. Practice explaining your ideas clearly, collaborating with others, and managing your time effectively. These skills will set you apart and help you succeed in any programming role. Design makes your applications more user-friendly and attractive. In 2026, understanding basic design principles, like layout, color, and typography will enhance your projects. Explore tools like Figma or Adobe XD to prototype your ideas. Even if you're not a designer, learning the basics will help you collaborate effectively and create better products. Game development is a fun and creative way to learn programming. In 2026, tools like Unity and Unreal Engine make it accessible for beginners. Building games teaches you about graphics, physics, and user interaction. Start with simple projects and gradually add complexity as you learn. Game development can also lead to exciting career opportunities. DevOps combines development and operations to streamline software delivery. In 2026, DevOps practices like continuous integration and deployment are standard in many organizations. Learn the basics of automation, monitoring, and collaboration between teams. Understanding DevOps will make you a more versatile and valuable programmer. Hackathons are intense short-term coding events where you build projects with a team. In 2026, both virtual and in-person hackathons are popular ways to learn, network, and showcase your skills. Participating in hackathons challenges you to think creatively, work under pressure, and collaborate with others. It's a great way to gain experience and have fun. Failure is a natural part of learning to program. In 2026, it's important to embrace mistakes as opportunities to grow. Analyze what went wrong, seek feedback, and try again. Every bug fixed and challenge overcome builds your resilience and problem-solving skills. Remember, persistence and a positive attitude are key to mastering programming. Robotics is an exciting field that combines programming with hardware. In 2026, affordable kits and online tutorials make it easy to get started. Building robots teaches you about sensors, automation, and real-world problem-solving. Whether as a hobby or a career path, robotics offers endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. Ethics are increasingly important in programming. In 2026, programmers must consider the impact of their code on society, privacy, and security. Learn about ethical guidelines, responsible data use, and the consequences of technology. Making ethical decisions will help you build trust and create positive change through your work. Internet of Things, IoT, connects everyday devices to the internet. In 2026, learning to program IoT devices opens up new possibilities in smart homes, healthcare, and industry. Start with simple projects like smart lights or sensors. IoT programming combines software, hardware, and networking skills for a truly interdisciplinary experience. Augmented and virtual reality are transforming education and entertainment. In 2026, learning to program AR/VR experiences is more accessible than ever. Explore platforms like Unity or Unreal Engine to create immersive worlds. AR/VR development teaches you about 3D graphics, user interaction, and cutting-edge technology. Big data is everywhere in 2026, powering insights and innovation across industries. Learn the basics of data analysis, visualization, and storage. Tools like Python, R, and SQL are essential for working with large datasets. Understanding big data will prepare you for roles in data science, analytics, and beyond. Blockchain technology is reshaping finance, security, and more. In 2026, learning the basics of blockchain and smart contracts can set you apart. Explore platforms like Ethereum and learn how decentralized applications work. Blockchain programming teaches you about cryptography, consensus, and distributed systems. Remote work is the norm for many programmers in 2026. Develop skills for effective communication, time management, and collaboration in virtual environments. Use tools like Slack, Zoom, and project management platforms to stay connected and productive. Remote work offers flexibility and access to global opportunities. Confidence grows with practice and experience. In 2026, celebrate your progress and don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your journey, seek feedback, and keep challenging yourself. Building confidence will help you tackle bigger projects and pursue new opportunities in programming. Technical interviews are a key step in landing a programming job. In 2026, practice coding challenges, algorithms, and system design questions. Mock interviews and online platforms can help you prepare. Focus on clear communication, problem solving, and demonstrating your thought process. Preparation will boost your confidence and increase your chances of success. Learning programming in 2026 is an exciting and rewarding journey. Embrace new technologies, stay curious, and keep building. Remember, everyone's path is unique. Focus on your growth and enjoy the process. With dedication and the right resources, you'll gain the skills to shape the future and achieve your goals in the digital world.